How to create my Ethereum account in Metamask. First of all, access metamask.io website. Click on download button on the top of the page. We have many options to install Metamask, so choose Chrome option and install Metamask for Chrome. Click on button Add to Chrome and accept the installation. Click on Get Started button and create a wallet. You need to read and agree all the conditions. Now, you need to create a password with minimum 8 characters. Confirm your password. Read and agree the terms of use and create. Watch the video and click on Next button. Click to reveal your secret words. Copy. Paste in a safe place. And save. Click on Next button. Now, select word by word in same sequence as saved before, and then confirm. Congratulations, you have a new Ethereum account. And now, copy to clipboard your Ethereum account and enjoy!